How to face real problem from your product. In the market, we have a ton of theme and UI kits to create from places like ThemeForest and UpLabs. The two products, however, were created by framework, flow, and your creativity. When you face problem in life, it's not like you see example from a framework or read a book. To solve what you're facing at that moment, you need to do something different. To replace a product, you must be adaptable and flexible. Quickly get feedback from customer inputs, then you will make a small improvement to make it better. Anything is temporary. If you want something real, you must be flexible, honest, and sincere. Be water, my friends. Proof, please.